Hi everyone, I've come to show you this little folio that I've made. It's from a template kit on Pink Monarch prints. I'll link the template kit below so you can see which one it is. And I've used sari silk here just to hold it together, just loops around there like so. And I painted these flowers to go with the papers. The papers themselves are called Garden Path, and they're a very, very pretty kit. I love it. That's just velcroed down onto there. And here we've got just a little journaling card. It is backed with cream card, so you can write on it. And that just sits down there nicely. And let's open it up and see what we got. That flips up, that flips out. Oh no, everything's falling over. This is what happens when you haven't got room on your desk. Yeah, let's start with the flip first. We've got a nice belly band here that I've decorated with some more of the pages from the kit. And in here we've got a journal. It's really quite a nice big useful journal, actually, notebook, whatever you wish to call it. That just sits into there, easy to take out for the day or for your holidays or whatever. And then down here we've got two side pockets here, and each of them have got a little one of these in, which opens up. So you've got journaling inside and you've got journaling on the back. It's quite sturdy card, so no trouble journaling on that. And decorated with a little heart just to fit in with everything else. And that side's exactly the same. So here we've got a big pocket, more papers from the journal with a nice big journaling card in it. Look at that. How pretty is that? Backed with card. Just fits into there. That folds in. Oh yeah, and on the back here we've got a triple stacked pocket with a little bit of ornamentation here and three nice big journaling cards ready to journal on. So there's quite a bit of journaling, even though it's just a relatively small folio, and that fits there, that goes there, and then the back's plain. I don't like putting things on the back of journals or folios. So that just comes around there, and if you really want to, you can just thread it through those flowers and just round like so, and then you can just tie your bow, and that's that. Yeah, I know everyone, I can't tie bows. I just can't. It's one of those things. It's one of those things I just can't do. I'm going to wrap that round there. I might have more chance then. Who knows? I'm bow inhibited. It could be worse. There we go. That's it. See, I did it. I got there in the end. So there we are. That's my little folio made from Garden Path papers. It's just so pretty. I really love it. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.